It is no joke 100 degrees outside right now. The sun is beating down, there is no shade. But it's time to cook dinner. So here's an outdoor cooking recipe that you can replicate and your family will love. So we have air conditioning in the camper, but we don't want to add any more heat and we want the air conditioner to run efficiently. So I've got these cooking stoves that we bring with us. So we're just going to cook outside. Then I can go back into the nice cool camper and enjoy my dinner. So I start off with the butane burner. It's going to be my main source of heat for this dinner. I went ahead and cut the chicken and seasoned it with Italian seasoning and olive oil before we left home so that it would be ready for the trip. Got a can of Alfredo sauce from Dollar Tree. Man, $1.25 for Alfredo sauce. So cook up the chicken, make sure that it's going to get cooked all the way through. Got some garlic bread. I put it on this pan here. I've had a lot of people ask about this pan. It's called a Korean barbecue pan. I don't know, I've only used it for camping. So anyway, we're gonna cook the garlic bread with that on the isobutane pocket stove there. Added in some rotini noodles to the water. I also got those at Dollar Tree for $1.25. Maybe we should make a video about camping food you could get at Dollar Tree. Let me know down in the comments if that's something that you would be interested in. After the chicken was cooked and ready to go, I added in the Alfredo sauce and set it off to the side. Now this dirty looking mat that you see is actually a fireproof, heat resistant pad. It looks dirty because it's been used. Trust me, I've tried to clean it. As I was boiling the pasta, I put in broccoli. I forgot to film putting in the broccoli. But the idea here is we're doing it all in one pot, keeping it minimal. So we made sure that the broccoli was tender and the noodles were ready. As it was finishing boiling, I completed the rest of my garlic bread, turned off my burner, and then turned off the pasta, drained it, put it back in the pot, added in my chicken Alfredo, gave it a good little mix up, and dinner is done. So here we have it, garlic bread and chicken Alfredo with broccoli. Let's see what it tastes like. Pretty good for a camping dinner. Stick around for more camping recipes.